If you're wasting hours re-explaining your business to ChatGPT, projects will fix that and make every chat twice as productive. In my last video, I showed you how to set them up. And today, I'm breaking down the essential projects that I recommend every small business owner create to stay organized, save time, and get results. Hi, I'm Sam, small business owner of a gourmet popcorn store and the unofficial tech support guy for my business buddies. I create videos for other small business owners who are interested in seeing how AI can help them with their business, even if it seems like it can't. All right, let's dive in. Here are the 5 ChatGPT projects that I recommend every small business owner create. Okay, and let's start out with the first one that we're gonna call legal project. We're gonna put things in there like your lease agreement, contracts, terms of service, partnerships agreements, anything that is legal that you may wanna ask questions about, it's going in this project. Now you'll have something that you can actually ask ChatGPT questions against these documents. If you want to know something like, hey, if I install a new device in your property, does that break your lease? Hey, if I carry another product of another vendor, does that break the terms of service for another vendor that I'm working with? This is where those kind of questions can now be answered from your documents inside of ChatGPT. And we all know in business, nothing gets done unless you got marketing. So of course, we're gonna have them have a marketing project. Now in this project, this is where you wanna put everything in it related to your marketing strategy. Me personally, I went and looked at some of the marketers out there and actually took documentation of their recommendations and I uploaded it to this project, along with my customer reviews, positive or negative, list of my products and their description, or services. If you're a service business, you also put the list of your services in their description, past posts that I've actually made, and also I've even picked competitor posts that I actually like, that got a lot of engagement in there, that I can actually still use ChatGPT to help me get that same type of engagement. Once you got all this stuff in your project, now ChatGPT can actually help you because it knows what you've done in the past. And with all that documentation inside the marketing project, now ChatGPT can help build your marketing plan around your documentation. And once your marketing start kicking off and the money's coming in, you know we're gonna have a financial project. And that's a project where we wanna put everything dealing with your finance inside. This is where you can actually put in any bills that you actually have. You can put in your budget, your P&L statement. This is where you also can put your cost of goods sold. And now you'll be able to ask all the questions related to the finance in your business in one place. So we've already covered your marketing and also your finance, but you're dealing with customers too. So of course, you need to have a project for customer service. In this project, you might want to put things in there like customer email templates. Put your policies in there for returns, exchange, etc. Past customer interactions can actually go in there too. This is going to be a good project that if you get an email that you don't know exactly how to respond to, you can upload it to ChatGPT and ChatGPT will help you respond to that email. And the final project that I believe that every small business owner should have is a brainstorming project. I recommend putting things like your current lists of products and services, even stuff from your competitor into this project. It's also a good place to put your positive and negative customer reviews from your business and also your competitor business, because these can actually help you in your brainstorming of what customers like and what they don't like. And just think, you can now ask ChatGPT questions like, what are something that we can improve on that our competitors aren't doing that will help our business? Now, these are just 5 projects that I recommend every small business owner have, but I know there are plenty more out there that you probably thought of that I didn't actually mention. And put those down in the comments. I'm kind of curious, what do you believe is essential for every business owner to actually have inside of projects in ChatGPT? As always, if you found this video educational, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already a subscriber, consider subscribing to the channel. I not only make videos for myself to remember what I've done, but I'm actually making videos for other small business owners. I'm just like you, learning how to use AI for my business.